Welcome to this tutorial on why choose Google Analytics 4 Setup, a comprehensive guide to understanding the benefits and key features of this powerful tool. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, designed to provide a more accurate and comprehensive view of user behavior across devices and platforms. To start, Google Analytics 4 offers a more streamlined and simplified setup process compared to its predecessor, making it easier for users to get started with tracking and analyzing their website data. One of the key benefits of Google Analytics 4 is its ability to track users across multiple devices and platforms, providing a more complete picture of user behavior. A key concept in Google Analytics 4 is the idea of events, which are specific actions that users take on your website, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. By tracking these events, you can gain a deeper understanding of how users are interacting with your website and identify areas for improvement. Another important feature of Google Analytics 4 is its enhanced data analysis capabilities, including machine learning-powered insights and predictions. This allows you to identify trends and patterns in your data and make more informed decisions about your marketing strategy. In terms of practical examples, Google Analytics 4 can be used to track the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, analyze user behavior on your website, and identify opportunities to improve user experience. For instance, you can use Google Analytics 4 to track the conversion rate of a specific marketing campaign, or to analyze the most common paths that users take through your website. Best practices for setting up Google Analytics 4 include ensuring that you have the correct tracking code installed on your website, setting up events and conversions to track key actions, and regularly reviewing and analyzing your data to identify trends and insights. Overall, Google Analytics 4 is a powerful tool that provides a more comprehensive and accurate view of user behavior and can help you make more informed decisions about your marketing strategy. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with Google Analytics 4 and start tracking and analyzing your website data today.